Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create an Outlook account. So first of all, open any web browser on your mobile device or your desktop, and in the web address bar type in outlook.com and hit enter. Then it will directly take you to the sign in page where if you already have an account, you can log into your account, but if you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking the option create one. Then you can either use an email address or you could use a phone number instead. You can use whatever you feel easy to use. I'll use email. After entering your email address, click next. Then you'll have to create a password for your Outlook account. After entering your password, click next. And now you'll have to enter your first name and last name. Once you've done that, again click next. Now choose your country or region and your birth date. And once you've done that, click next. And now you'll have to enter the characters you see above. Then click next. And there you have it. You have successfully created an Outlook account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.